Have you ever thought about using the skills you gained in the military to build wealth in your civilian life? Real estate investing is a powerful way for veterans like you to create a reliable source of income and long-term financial security. Think about this. You mastered strategy, resilience, decision-making under pressure. These are all qualities that can give you an edge in the competitive world of real estate. Whether you're looking to start small or eventually grow a substantial portfolio, I'm going to walk you through the steps of investing in rental properties specifically tailored for veterans ready to seize the opportunity. From leveraging your VA loan benefits to mastering property management, today I'm going to show you how to transform military experience into real estate success. So let's dive in and unlock the door to your financial future in real estate. Before you get into the rental property market, you need to understand the landscape and get comfortable with the basic terms and concepts that are going to shape your journey. Terms like cash flow, appreciation, and rental yield are going to soon become second nature, but let's break them down so you're set up for success right from the start. Cash flow is a pretty simple concept. Basically, it's the money left over after paying for all the expenses on your property, including your mortgage, insurance, taxes, and maintenance. In the ideal scenario, this number is positive, meaning that you're making more from rent than you're spending. Positive cash flow is your goal because it provides a steady income month after month. In fact, around 75% of successful investors identify cash flow as their key to success. Appreciation, meanwhile, is about the property's value increasing over time. While cash flow provides you with immediate income, appreciation builds your long-term wealth. Finally, rental yield is a quick way to see how much return you're getting on your investment. That's calculated as the annual rental income divided by the property's cost. Understanding these fundamentals are crucial as you move forward. To gain a more in-depth understanding of the real estate market, you can dive into resources tailored for veterans entering into the real estate scene. There are plenty of books on real estate investing, podcasts featuring experienced investors like the Rain podcast with Jen Josie, or even local workshops that can be valuable. Joining forums with fellow veterans who've made the leap into real estate can also offer both practical advice and moral support. I'd highly recommend the War Room with David Perret. One of the biggest advantages you have as a veteran is access to the VA loan program, a powerful resource that can make property ownership significantly easier. With the VA loan, you can buy a house with zero down payment. That's something that gives you a huge leg up in the market where upfront costs usually deter new investors. So here's an example. If you're eyeing a $300,000 property, a VA loan could save you $60,000 down compared to a conventional loan that requires a 20% down payment. So consider an approach that lets you use your VA loan to purchase a multifamily property. And I've had students do this. You buy a 4-unit property, you live in one unit, and you rent out the others. This setup, called house hacking, not only provides you with a place to live, but also generates rental income to cover your mortgage payments. Basically, your tenants help pay down your mortgage while you build equity. This is an incredible strategy for a first-time investor with VA benefits. Just remember the eligibility requirements for VA loans vary, so it's important to review the criteria. Once you're clear on the requirements, you can maximize your benefits. VA loans are designed to give veterans an edge, so take advantage of every perk and lower financial barriers to start building your real estate empire. Your military training most likely taught you the value of strategic planning and discipline. These are skills that are invaluable when you're entering the real estate market. When starting out, it's usually best to go for smaller investments. Single-family home or a duplex is a great entry point because these options are more manageable for investors. Think of it as getting your feet wet without diving into the complexities of managing multiple properties right away. Learn the ins and outs of property management without feeling overwhelmed. Managing your property for a year gives you time to understand how to screen tenants, handle maintenance, and respond to tenants' needs. If you need help, give me a call. Go to budevans.com for a free strategy session. Once you've gotten a feel for the process and build up some equity, you can reinvest those profits into another property. Starting small also allows you to make mistakes on a manageable scale. As you become more comfortable, you can scale up gradually, moving into larger properties or even commercial real estate, if that aligns with your goals. This step-by-step growth mirrors the progression you're familiar with from your military career. Building blocks. You're learning the basics, you're applying them in the field, and gradually you take on more responsibility. In real estate, your network is just as valuable as your knowledge. The connections you made in the military provide a unique advantage as you transition into real estate investing. Just like service, building relationships here isn't about collecting contacts. It's about forging connections that offer guidance, opportunities, and mutual support. Start by connecting with real estate agents, property managers, and seasoned investors. These individuals bring knowledge and expertise to the table that can save you time, money, and frustration. Attend real estate networking events or local meetups geared towards property investment. These events often feature experienced investors who can share insights on finding good deals, managing properties, or overcoming common hurdles. There are veterans groups focused on real estate investing. They're another goldmine of information and support. Again, go to Military to Millionaire and sign up for the War Room with David Perret. These groups understand the unique challenges and advantages veterans face making them ideal spaces to ask questions, share experiences, and build partnerships. A strong network could lead you to opportunities like joint ventures or referrals for reliable contractors and even property management. Plus, when people know you're a veteran, they have an extra level of respect for your dedication and reliability. Knowing your local market is another key to successful real estate investing. It's essential to analyze trends in rental prices, neighborhood growth, and population changes before you actually buy the property. For example, if rental prices in a neighborhood have been steadily increasing by 5% each year, that area could be a solid choice for investment. There is a clear demand for housing in that area, but you got to do your homework. Familiarize yourself with the areas that have a strong rental demand, especially those with a large military population. Cities with military bases, for example, often have a steady influx of renters who are looking for flexible housing options. We PCS every 2 to 3 years. Understanding these dynamics will help you determine where to buy properties, set competitive rental properties, and anticipate future growth. In the long run, making data-driven decisions can significantly impact your success. Check out the trends because they can vary widely even within the same city. So take time to research specific neighborhoods, attend open houses, talk to local agents, and review online listings to get a feel for rental rates and property values. Keeping an eye on the local development plans and changes in the population demographics can also provide you with insights in emerging neighborhoods that can offer higher returns on your investment. As your real estate investments grow, consider diversifying your portfolio to spread out the risk and increase your opportunities for profit. Putting all your eggs in one basket, one type of property, can be risky because different property types react differently to market changes. Single-family homes, multifamily units, vacation rentals, mixed-use properties, they all come with unique pros and cons, so a well-balanced portfolio can provide you with a stable income stream regardless of how the market fluctuates. Long-term rental properties like single-family homes tend to offer stable cash flow and lower turnover rates, but vacation rentals, short-term rentals, often bring in higher income during peak seasons, albeit with higher fluctuations. By having both in your portfolio, you can gain some stability with potential for higher returns. Every type of property requires a different level of management, offers varying levels of cash flow, so take your time to learn about each category before you actually buy. Diversifying also provides you with the flexibility. If one property type underperforms, others in your portfolio can bounce your income balance. Over time, as you become more experienced and your portfolio expands, you're going to be able to adapt your investments to align with your changing goals. Guys, I started my own property management company because property management can be one of the most demanding aspects of real estate investing, but it's essential for maintaining a profitable portfolio. You have two main options. You can do what I do and manage the properties yourself, or you go out and hire a property management firm. Self-management allows me to maximize my profits, but requires a lot of time and commitment. If you choose this route, you're going to need to master tenant screening. You're going to need to understand lease agreements, and you're going to want to familiarize yourself with landlord-tenant laws in your area. On the other hand, hiring a property management firm can be beneficial as your portfolio grows. A reputable firm will handle everything from tenant selection to maintenance requests, and that's going to free you up to expand your investments. While this option comes with a cost, it's usually well worth it if you're juggling multiple properties or you have a busy schedule. Whichever route you choose, maintaining a good relationship with your tenants is vital. You have to let them know that there's an open door. Open communication fosters trust and can lead to longer occupancy, reducing turnover rates and associated costs. Happy tenants are more likely to stay long-term, which ultimately translates to consistent rental income and a stable cash flow. As a veteran investor, you're going to want to explore Section 8 housing because it's an excellent strategy for securing consistent cash flow. Check a couple of videos back. I did a whole thing on this. Section 8, also known as the Housing Choice Voucher Program, provides rental assistance to eligible tenants, which almost guarantees a steady income from government-backed funds. This minimizes your risk of non-payment and can help you stabilize your portfolio. To list your property under the Section 8 program, you're going to need to work with your local housing authority and ensure your property meets Section 8 standards. Section 8 inspections are thorough. Be prepared to maintain your property to comply with these requirements. However, once your property is approved, the financial benefits can be well worth the effort. This approach not only provides you with a reliable income stream, but it also serves the community by providing affordable housing to those in need. For veteran investors, Section 8 housing can be a rewarding avenue that aligns with both financial and social impact goals. The real estate market is always changing, and as an investor, it's crucial to stay informed to make the most of new opportunities. Go out and subscribe to industry newsletters, join online communities, or participate in local investor groups. These resources are going to help keep you updated on trends, investment strategies, and market conditions. And engaging with new information always helps you adapt your approach so you're always one step ahead. This commitment is going to help you learn and enhance your decision-making, a skill you already sharpened in the military. So the more you know, the more you can leverage the market's dynamics to your own advantage. Staying engaged also means keeping up with the changes in local real estate laws and local regulations. There are going to be shifts, and small shifts in policy can have a significant impact on your rental property profitability. So, being proactive about learning ensures that you can make the best decisions for your investments. The rules change from municipality to municipality. Starting a real estate journey in rental property investing as a veteran is a powerful step towards lasting financial independence. And by understanding the market, leveraging your military benefits, and establishing a strong network, you're going to be setting up a solid foundation for long-term success. Remember, starting small and committing to ongoing learning are essential parts of this journey, just like they were in your military career. So with the right strategies and determination, you can build a real estate empire one property at a time. Real estate investing not only provides you with financial freedom, but offers you a way to positively impact communities by providing valuable housing options. As you move forward, embrace each challenge and remember, your military experience equips you with the resilience, the discipline, and the strategic mindset needed to succeed in real estate. The time is now. Go out and take action. Take your first step. Apply the strategies and begin your journey to financial growth through real estate. Until the next video, aim high. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. If you did, please show us some love and smash that like button. Your support means everything to us and helps us reach more people like you who want to aim high in real estate. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell icon so that you can stay up to date on all of our future content. If you're hungry for more real estate and finance related videos, we've got you covered. We can't wait to see your success stories in real estate investing. Till next time, aim high. We'll see you soon.